Pioneering leadership that transforms the healthcare innovation from Germany. Leading the way as a CEO of INNO3 Quality in Imaging. Your Healthcare Innovation Leadership Award goes to Dr. Sven Jansen. Please put your hands together for Dr. Sven Jansen, Healthcare Innovative Leadership Award. Now let's hear it from Dr. Sven. How are you feeling, Dr. Sven? You got the award. How does this award means to you?
Well, thank you very much for having me, and let's start a bit differently. Thank you very much for Fluxx to actually dedicate one full day of 2 days to healthcare. And it actually shows the importance of the industry. And to actually highlight that, let's do two things now. Let's take healthcare and separate it into health and care. Care you need when you are a patient, and then you should receive care wherever you are at the intensity you need it. Health is something we all carry around with us every day. No matter if you are with your family, no matter if you are at work, if you are in education, if you're in the gym, health is with you all day, and it's not digitalized. However, the important means you want to stay healthy. You do not want to get sick. The system that we are all actually seeing globally is a sick care system. You pay when you are sick. That's something we should change globally. And then there's the second thing we should look at. Look at the industry itself. More and more people are getting older, which is a good thing because of good hygiene, of good healthcare systems. We are all getting older. Great. And then you have many governments in the world. Let's take Saudi Arabia with the Saudi Vision 2030. Let's take Dubai. Let's take Germany. Let's take Poland, US. They all try to increase access to healthcare using different methods. Primary care centers, better infrastructure, all good. But they are actually making the problem worse, which is still a good thing. You increase the people who are getting older and they need to get cared for. On the other hand, you have less and less people who want to work in the medical industry because they think their job will be taken over by AI. Or they think, it's long working hours, it's a difficult job and so on. So there's a disbalance between supply, people, and demand, healthcare workers. So we need to bridge that gap. This is actually what we are trying to focus on. So I'm here, you said INNO3, yeah, that's one of 5 companies. So we are trying to focus on using tools, digital tools. May they be driven by AI or not, to close the gap, to be able to care for people in a shorter time frame. Because we, as a population, will not be able to do so going forward. Just due to the fact that there are just too less people to be able to do the job. So thank you very much for this award. And last but not least, thank you very much for my beautiful wife who sits over there, because she's always being honored to her job within quality in healthcare. And that actually shows that our relationship is not, not only physical, sorry to say so, but also on the mindset frame. Thank you very much.